A very good afternoon to all. I welcome you all the dignitaries and participants for 12 days online FGP on entrepreneurship sponsored by DST, organized by Gates Institute of Technology. So this is a valedictory ceremony. And this 12 days FGP, we did 44 sessions with only 25 expertized resource persons. And we have the participants throughout the India. This takes us one step higher. So now I request program coordinator, Dr. V. Ramesh Nayak, to view the program report, action plan, and feedback. So, sir, I request you to view the program.
As we have already pointed out, needs are something to the very essential for our survival. All are something to have an interest.
Sir, you are muted. Sir,
Basic difference. It is up to the individual who can
sir, it's not audible.
differentiate
Sorry, I forgot switch on the mic. So thank you, Salome. Thank you for giving opportunity to me to come in front of you once again. I take this opportunity to present the program report, action plan, and invite
Mr.
feedback from
Ramesh
the
Nayak,
participants.
so much disturbance is there at the back.
So coming to the conclusion of the DST sponsored 12 days FDP program, 15th March 2021 to 27th March 2021. So I'm here presenting progress of the FDP. So for this FDP, we got 225 registrations. So in part of that, so participants from different domains like management, engineering, humanities, sciences, and other disciplines from different colleges and universities state across the country. So out of the total number of participants,
Hello.
registrations, we have 150 active participants who are attended all the
Dr.
sessions in
Ramesh
12 days
Nayak.
program.
Dr.
So I
Ramesh
hope
Nayak,
this is a
hear
big
me?
number of participants in recent days and conducted FDP in various institutions across the country.
So sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Dr. Ramesh Nayak, we are not able to hear anything. So much disturbance there at the back. Can you please ask all of them to mute themselves?
Sir, please tell me, sir.
We are not able to hear you. There are so much disturbance from behind. Ask everyone to mute. Then only we can hear what you are telling.
I request all the participants, please mute your mics.
When you are able to mute me, you should mute everyone also, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When
I'm
you
muted,
are-
sir.
when
I'm
you are
muted.
able to
I'm
mute,
muted.
mute everyone.
Yes, sir. I repeat.
Thank you.
So now it is okay.
So still many were have to mute, sir. So many are there, 4 or 5 members still participant are not muted.
Thank you. So then we have an action plan. So we have designed an action plan with effective implementation after this FDP. So I want to make continuity of this FDP participants group and taking into next level by creating a network among the participants. So participants to resource person and the participants to government or department, laboratories, incubation centers. So working with an objective of promoting entrepreneurship. So the Gates Incubation Center can make a facility or arrangements of participants' requirements and also invite or inquiries the interest from the participants. So time to time. So now I welcome from the participants your feedback about the program. So dear participants, so we are requesting you and give your valuable feedback from the program.
Good afternoon. Ramesh Nayak, sir, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Ghosh here from Presidency University. Ramesh Nayak, sir. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me, Ramesh Nayak, sir? Yeah, can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Yeah. I'm Dr. Ghosh here. I'm from Presidency University. I attended your program effectively, but thing is, not around on the BSc, but few lectures are good in the area of marketing, finance, and
Sorry to
some
interrupt, sir.
like
Voice
that.
is not clear, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now you are getting my voice?
No, it is okay, madam.
Now you are getting?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. It was clear. Now it was
Now,
clear.
yeah, you are, it's clear, huh? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, yes, sir.
I'm Dr. Ghosh here from Presidency University. I attended your program, is nice, is no doubt at all, because getting program is very difficult. I know the pros and cons of this program.
Sir, we are here, you, sir. Please continue.
Go, sir. Are you there?
Hello, sir. Okay, sir will join next, and any other participant? Please share your experience about this program.
I'm there here.
Hello.
Hello?
Sir, please continue, sir. You are disconnected.
Ah,
Yeah, please continue, sir.
yeah. Ramesh Naik, sir, this is an extremely good program, no doubt at all. But when it come to expert lectures, in the sense, the few people are good, the few people are not up to the mark. This is frankly I'm telling you, because we are invited from the university, the lectures are narrated well. The few they are from the industry, they are unable to perform well, in the sense they are unable to narrate a few things effectively. So the finally, I conclude my feedback, but whatever it may be, finally the program, tremendous program you are conducted. I congratulate from my side. Thank you, Ramesh Naik Garu, for inviting me. And thank you very much, Salome, for conducting good program on Department of Management Studies. Thank you very much, Ramesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable feedback.
Hello, Naik sir. I would like to say something if it is okay.
Sir, please welcome, sir.
I believe sir, camera is not required now. I'm not in a good condition right on a weekend to switch on my camera.
Okay. No issues, sir. Please continue.
It's a wonderful experience to observe first of all the from various expert of various field. I mean, I'm not saying that anyone saying wrong. Because there's a perception people take when they're in their mind. Like I'm from Maharashtra International University, Faridabad, Haryana. So here the startup story is different. Some people are from different places. They have different startup stories. And I believe that the entrepreneurship, the basic grounds will remain the same. It's just that how you perceive in your surrounding. My mindset is that people not getting it now. People in this whole set of portal, even the expert also have their different views. Yes, the set of commonalities you can say given by each one of them is very, very superb. Many lecturers are really delighted. I even interacted a lot of them with them. I try to find out their views, their set of thinking, because when you connect with the people, then you understand that how they have taken this thing forward. There are many faculty, I believe, in this 14 days or 12 days workshop that who actually teaching entrepreneur. I'm not a part of this entrepreneur. I'm more to entrepreneur finance. So my finance set of things always allow me to make sure that you learn something new about some different segment, so that you're able to know much more about it. Then you're able to connect it. That's why I just chosen to be one of this great mega event of GATESET organized by you and the University Institute. I really appreciate and really applaud each one of you who really work hard for me. Even on the Saturday, Sunday, you try to make sure that each participant be addressed. I always call you Naik sir, you always revert me back either by message or by WhatsApp. So really applaud and really thankful to be a part of this mega event. I'm planning for more even from your side and be one of your fruitful participant of your event. Again, I like to share my view. Something happened in finance sector particularly. I definitely want to speak about it if it is possible for you. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. Really applaud each one. Thank you.
So really, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. It is our responsibility to give the respect to your any kind of issue or the problem. We have to clear all your doubts, sir, so that we can give a clarity to you about the each and everything.
Good afternoon,
Yeah,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good
Sir.
afternoon.
Myself, Uma, from Tiruvallur University, Tamil Nadu.
Welcome,
First and
madam.
foremost, I would like to thank all the organizers of this workshop. Especially my special thanks goes to you and Solomon madam for coordinating all this for 13 days, sir. Actually, this workshop was really great. The reason is we have learned from writing a business plan for starting a business, and we have also learned how to submit those plans and where to submit on all the procedures related to running a plan. All the sessions are really excellent, and also the resource persons really equipped us with a wider knowledge, sir. Thank you, sir, for
Yes, sir.
organizing
Yes.
such a program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
Dr. G. Kumar from VIT Sindri, Jharkhand.
So welcome, sir.
I'm a senior professor here with having more than 40 years of teaching experience, and that too in the rank of professor for the last 21 years.
So very grateful to have you, sir.
Because I am from the Government Engineering College, and here every year we are sending the students for the VT. And I was the placement in charge for this institution for 10 long years. And then I'm always advocating that the students are taking training in some different domain, and they are joining mostly, nearly 50% of the jobs are there in the software sector, where their training becomes useless. The training which they have taken in the industry become useless. So even at the ministry level, I raised this pertinent question, and as a result of that, Niti Aayog decided that the Ministry of Steel will introduce the steel chair professorship in some prestigious colleges, and at the same time, 5 scholarships will be given to the students who are interested to join the steel industry after passing out. So from third year stage, they had to get these scholarships. So this happened. So
Yes,
in
sir.
our college also, there was the provision for the steel chair. Now I'm coming to the real point, the entrepreneurship. See, some of the students, we are always telling that become the job giver, not the job seeker, or like that, something, all these things. But I am really telling that there are so many successful entrepreneurs from your own institution or in the nearby vicinity. So those students who have this liking, they should be sent to those organizations to learn something from the very beginning. See, Marwadis are very good in business, and that is why their children, they are from the very beginning getting the training in their own setup, so that they can establish their own business in the longer run, and that becomes very fruitful for them. So we should take a lesson from Marwadi and Punjabi. They are believing on these things. My point is that the institution, with the help of the government, should establish incubation center at their respective institutions and attach the students with the successful entrepreneurs from the nearby vicinity or from your own organization, and so that they should have the proper grooming. So this is only my suggestion, but at the same time, I would like to thank the DST for sponsoring this program and arranging 2 weeks program, and that too on every day, excluding Sunday. Of course, the first Sunday was not excluded. So it is really a very, very troublesome job. And the organizers can tell it very, in that way, the difficulties which they are facing, because I have already arranged at least a dozen programs like this. But I really feel that coordinating everything is very, very difficult. And this, we should see the positive aspects. During the Corona period, this was the high time to learn something more more and more through the virtual mode. This is the opportunity which we are getting, and we should fruitfully utilize those things. So thank you for your effort. It was a highly successful program. I am really satisfied. Thanks to DST Observer who is there. Thank you very much.
So thanks, sir. Thanks a lot giving elaborated information. You shared actual picture what is going there in the society. That's right. In fact, to say it is very first program to me, sir. So I learned a lot really. Really, I try to get the very expertise people that's like want to share very good knowledge.
Yeah, people were wonderful. People, resource persons were wonderful. No
Yeah,
doubt.
absolutely, sir. Absolutely. Then we try to it's like fulfill the what is the objective, what is the purpose is really set by the DST. Then we try to fulfill it, sir. We'll try to fulfill it. Hope this is a way. This is a possible. What are the possible ways are available to me? Then I try to set out the resource persons and the topics and everything. So that should be reachable to our participants, sir. So really, we did a hard work on this programs. Me and my team really we did a hard work. So want to listen the more feedback from you.
I
with your
congratulate.
participants.
May I, Dr. Mesa?
Please, Anju madam, please. You are a very good active participant in the program. Really, I have to say thank to you.
It's my pleasure, sir. I congratulate and thank you, Gates IIT and GST and the resource person for conducting a valuable FDP. And as well as I appreciate all the peers with whom I am learning, growing. And it's a very wonderful opportunity, and it was immensely very well organized. And Amit sir, I would like to again say one thing. Finance is such a big knowledge is there. There are break-even analysis. So many things are there. Please enlighten us with more of our workshops.
Thank you, ma'am, to sharing here. I'm one of you, basically one of
We
yours
all-
category, and we always learn from each other.
We all are among each other. We all are
Indirectly,
among
ma'am,
each other.
indirectly from this platform we are interacting. Otherwise, we never knew that there's one faculty here, one faculty there who had their set of viewpoint to learn and share something mutually. So it's just because of Gates set and Nayak sir who actually allow us to be one of the participant and we can interact in the common platform. So it's just a very small world where we get together. We came to know about knowledges. So really, ma'am, I have a chance to say, when I request you, if you are sharing something or you have something workshop, please let me know also, let everyone knows also. We will definitely, share some inputs and common values regarding this. Sure.
Yes. I would suggest for every one of you, there is a Telangana program going. There's an organization called heartfulness.org, and they are conducting a yoga program, because I think with the corona, everybody has gone under a very big stress and turmoil, and the health is the one common aspect which we all take it for granted. And this was a wonderful opportunity in learning, as well as keep growing and keep learning and keep sharing. This is what I would suggest.
Anjuji, just could you please share me your the link in WhatsApp, in this particular chat board, because yesterday I took my phone number also, but I could not make it. Can you just put that link? Yeah,
Sure.
please. Right.
I am working as a visiting faculty at MSIT, and that's great. And I have been a great learning experience with the hybrid, with the corona also. I have HBR also, Harvard Business School also. So I am putting my entrepreneurship lessons I'm planning to put up over there. And it has been a great pleasure with working with all of you. And seriously, I admire GST at Gates College and Dr. Ramesh Nayak, who is pleasingly welcoming us all the time, and really admire each and every one of you. Yes, Dr. Vinodni, there was another important event which was there for MSME.
Please share the link, if you can, in the chat box.
You can share the email ID. I can forward you all that.
Shall I place it here, my email ID?
Anyway.
Chatbot, yeah, I'll write away and share.
Thank you, madam, for your valuable feedback on the FDP program.
I am
So
always
even
ready.
I have to say a lot about
Please, you are welcome, madam. You are welcome.
I am
have to say
available
a
today.
lot. Because we learned a lot. We learned a lot, and we got inspired with the sessions what you people have organized. The resource persons have been very, very, very informative and insightful. Like we thought we would definitely transform the students in the path of becoming entrepreneurs than just being employees in an organization. And these sessions were really, every speaker, we are heartful, at least I'm thanking every speaker, every technical speaker has given so many insights, and they're all thought provoking. It's like walk the talk. We're not just going to, say, orally, but we are going to implement those. Definitely, sir, and thank you, Naik Garu, because you have been very, very supportive in every aspect throughout 2 weeks program. 2 weeks program. And thanks to the entire team and GATE for this kind of session, FDP program. And I would say, in case if we are conducting any program next, I'll be the first person to join such programs.
Thank you, madam. Thanks a lot. Really, we are very happy when we listening these kind of words from the participants. Really, we forget all our hard work and everything. It's we feel that it's a justify to our hard work.
You deserve the best wishes, sir. You deserve all.
Thank you, madam. Thanks a lot.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, sir. Ravindra, sir, please. Welcome, sir.
Sir, good evening, good afternoon, all.
Yeah, you are one of the active participants, sir. Then you are all the times then you are interacting with the resource person, like and clearing all your doubts and acquiring many information, right?
I am
Welcome, sir.
I am Asra Raghavendra from Assistant Professor from BVRIT Hyderabad College of Engineering for Women. Initially, I thought that for 2 weeks, what I can learn, what they teach for on entrepreneurship like that. But after attending 2 week sessions on entrepreneurship, I am very much surprised, sir. The way all the speakers spoke, and they have enhanced our knowledge. Apart from learning about many schemes provided by government, and also apart from learning the knowledge about entrepreneurship, I learned even the teaching skills of many faculties, many speakers. Also, the sessions were very active because of many active participants. Really, a mutual learning happens, sir. And yesterday, Mandi sir's speech, I mean the lecture, I like it very much. In classroom, we say like knowledge level, application level, like that. Mandi sir has demonstrated all those things. He is applying all the knowledge what we find in the textbook. So like this, I have learned many things, sir. I thank the GATE College and all its team for providing us such a great FDP. I wish the GATE will conduct more FDPs like this and inform us. I am very much interested to attend your FDPs in the future, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, this is Karthik speaking. May I?
Sir, please, sir. You are welcome, sir.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank for organizing this wonderful FTP. This is the longest FTP I have attended, and this FTP will be remembered. The lessons which I have learned from this FTP will be remembered for a very long time. All the resource persons were exceptionally good. all of them have put lot of effort to enlighten us and teach us. Each of them had a very vast experience in their field. And I would like to thank two people at this point of time. One is Shaheen, who is CEO of Blue Boon, and another one is Mandi sir.
Yes,
These
sir.
two people I would like to thank.
Sorry, you were disconnected.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, right, sir. Please
Yes, sir.
continue.
As I said, this is one of the most valuable FDP. And I also would like to thank you for arranging this FDP. I think you might have undergone a lot of stress. You certainly deserve an applause from each one of us, sir. Thank you. And it was a great honor to interact with such an eminent scholars who have gathered from across the country. I would like to thank everybody on this occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Then we have the participants from 10 to 15 states, sir. So then it is a very good network, and we have very good participants. We can interact with each and every participant, sir. So now invite any other participants to share their feedback.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. I am audible.
Audible, sir. Who is sir? Who is speaking?
Yes, sir. I am Dr. Mohan Raj calling from Tamil Nadu, Engineer Perumal Manimekalai College of Engineering, sir.
So welcome, sir. Welcome.
Sir, really, the sessions were wonderful, sir. I am the professor. Though it's the content of the program was very nice, sir. And also the speakers who are given the contribution is really meaningful, as well as the content is up to the, relating to the topic, sir. So we learned much, and we extend the same to the students, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. It is absolutely applicable to the institute, sir. That is DST purpose is training the teachers to train their students in the institutions.
Yes, sir. Yes,
That's the purpose. Then we try to get the resource persons, yes, like, and they have a very good knowledge and a vast of experience in their field.
Okay.
It's like some of here we have the mostly 5 to 6 from incubation centers and 2 to 3 people from industry. Then other person from academia. So those are having a very good vast experience in their field. So
Yes,
then they have to share their knowledge and experience to the participants, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks for giving me opportunity, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You are most welcome, sir.
Hello.
Yes, please, sir. Who is sir?
This is Dr. Ahmed Hussain from Raiganj University, West Bengal.
So welcome, sir.
Since the March 2019, sir, I have attended some selective workshops, and let me confess, this is one of the best FDP I have ever attended, either in the offline or the online. The FDP has given a new direction to my life. That is the entrepreneurship. I have nowadays thinking a lot about it, and the selection of the resource persons for every topic, almost every corner has been touched by the experts. It was absolutely marvelous. Absolutely marvelous. I am expecting the phase 2 from your side, and I am strongly eager to join again as soon as possible. So thank you very much from our side, and special thanks to Dr. Ramesh.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you
for the pain he has taken for us.
Yes,
thank you,
yes,
sir.
Yes. So we are very happy about your feedback, sir. So really, I'm ready to accept to take any kind of a pain. So want to give the best to our participant. As like since to 15 days, then we are struggling a lot as like to arrange to bring up a very good resource persons to you. Then what to give the best. That is our motto, sir.
Absolutely, absolutely. Fantastic.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your feedback. So I
Hello,
welcome next
sir.
participant.
Hello.
Welcome, madam. Sir.
Hello, sir.
Sujata Patil.
I am from Maharashtra. Excellent FDP. I think so. Because
Your name, sir? Hello.
Sujata Patil.
Sujata Patil. Welcome, madam. Welcome, madam.
Since 12 days, we are together. And many FDPs we are attended. But this one is excellent FDP because it provides updated knowledge related to entrepreneurship and as well as a quiz which are given by the resource persons. That quiz are also knowledgeable and suitable to the subject. So it is a really marvelous and enrichable FDP. And thanks to Dr. Ramesh Naik sir, you handle the FDP in very nice manner, as well as Salome ma'am. Salome ma'am also reachable to our heart because she organized as well as handle the sessions very well manner. So thanks to all the organizing team for such type of FDP. Thanks once again. Thank you.
So thank you, madam, for giving a very good feedback about the program.
Thanks, sir.
So next, I welcome any other participant.
I welcome CJ
Ramesh, sir,
Patil.
can you hear me?
Who is speaking, sir?
Yeah, I'm Dr. Naveen from Tamil Nadu. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir. We are
Yeah,
hearing you.
very
Welcome,
happy
sir.
afternoon. Very happy afternoon, Ramesh, sir.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
And it's a long and a successful FTP that you have conducted. That too, that's a great thing that what we are participating in. This is very, we could hear more number of resource persons who have given more number of data. And our special thanks to yourself as an event coordinator. You have taken a lot more to complete the same, I think so. All the very best for your future. And thank you so much. Resource persons those have handled over here are really good. And obviously we could say that we have learned a lot because one single thing just I want to insert at this time is patent because of that. We have learned a lot about the patent writing, and as you all know that I have conversated with a research person and he have given more number of data and ideas regarding the same. And the entire participant, I could say that throughout these 15 days, more than 80 to 90 students were, 80 to 90 staff people were attending the same. And this is the way that you have succeeded in your life, I think so. And very happy and very thankful to you all. And we are expecting one more time. If anything else, if you are conducting for future, we will be the one who will be only participating in that event. Thank you so much, Ramesh sir. And Salome ma'am too. Thank you so much. And have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Sir, thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
Your valuable feedback, sir.
Yes, fine. Always welcome. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. So I request any other participant want to share your experience. Sir Patil, sir, raised hand, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Very happy to see you.
Yeah, I'm the Patil from Maharashtra, particularly
Yes,
from Srimati G. Karte College. I got attended FTP from suitable and very useful to us. Because for a person coming into this academy, actually one should go 1 year experience.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Yeah, actually one should go in the industry for at least 1 year, because I am doing this FTP on entrepreneurship. This is my second FTP on entrepreneurship. I have attended one from Ramanujan Institute, Delhi. It's in my second FDP. I could get very good knowledge from this FDP, particularly MSME, patent writing, and from the last lecture, yesterday last lecture from Mandi sir. And a lot were there, but I could remember only one name, Dr. Ramesh.
Yes, sir.
I could listen them date one at least. Because other names I could not remember. But the work put forth by those people is very excellent. As well as by yourself. One lecture you took, that was also very good. We could get a very good knowledge from you. And the other participants also were helpful to progress this FDP, especially to mention Vinodini madam and Anju, because
Yes,
they have
yes.
interacted us very long way.
Yes,
And
yes.
I hope many people could join to us for our future. And I request Dr. Ramesh to you that you prepare a list of all participants, their contact and their addresses, and please circulate, try to circulate to all so that the people will get benefited from this. I am putting my number and email ID also. I have 12 years of experience in the industry, at hand experience. So if anybody needs my help, I am very much open to give my experiences to all those who want, or those who want to discuss, if at all, if it is needed. Because the persons coming to this FDP for lecture, where few are having at hand experience, not all. But from my side, I can share my at hand experience if at all it is needed for any MSME or any progressing person. Okay, thank you. I assure you this, and thanks to all your team, who are in front of us and who are not in front of us, because they have also put their heart to successful FDP. Okay, thank you. Thanks
Sir,
a lot, sir.
thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you giving your valuable feedback. You know that you are a very
And
expertise.
sir, whenever you do such FDP again, please be inform us. At
Sure.
least I will join, or I will join other people also.
Sure,
Thank
sure,
you.
sure, sir, sure, sir. So very, very thankful to you, sir. Your open heart, as like you are going to open a offer to us, as like utilizing your services.
Good
So,
day, sir.
really, it's a very happy to listen from you, sir.
Good day to every
If
participant also.
if the opportunities come, sure, sir, we will contact you. We will
Yeah.
contact you. Then we will ask
Yeah.
your service.
Yeah.
For the any kind of a program or any kind of a session want to arrange in our college, sure, we'll get back to you, sir.
Yeah.
And at the same time, you asked the list of resource, list of the participants and their contact and
Share it
address
to all.
details. Sure, then we have created a group. WhatsApp group is there. We will be in regular touch with them, and we also bring out it next level, sir. Then we are also having the certain plans. Then we will share it into the group, sir.
Yeah.
So we don't want to lose this kind of a participants.
Yeah.
So really, we are very happy to have you all. Really, it is my fortunate. It is my fortunate to have you all, sir.
Yeah.
So making this program, bringing to this kind of a place, a grand success.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thanks a lot.
So now I request any other participant want to share their feedback. Any other person? So if not there, then we'll move on next event. No one?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, shall we move next? Next activity. Shall I continue, madam? Shall I, madam?
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Right. Right. This is my immense pleasure to say lakhs of thanks to the all people who behind me to make this program a grand success. So especially NSTDB, DST, Government of India, a special thanks for granting FDP to conduct online platform. And my thanks to Dr. MLS Devkumar sir, Director, SMS JNTUE, so for his valuable speech in inaugural ceremony. And my special thanks to DST Observer, Dr. J. Surya Kumar, CEO, Sri Padmavati Mahila Vishwavidyalayam, and the Society for Invitation, Incubation, Entrepreneurship, TBI Tirupati, for his valuable instructions about to conduct the program and timely observation of the program, so making it in an effective manner. And I have to say thank to our college management, correspondent, Srimati V.K. Padmavatama, Madam, for their support. And I have thank our beloved Managing Director, Mr. G. Raghunath Reddy sir, for giving a good support and encouragement throughout the program. And I thank Director Madam, Srimati V.K. Shrivani Madam, for their encouragement. And I thank Principal Sir, Dr. Eswali Prasad, so for timely suggestions and directions. So coming to the proposed, thanks to the resource person, I have to say few words about them. So it may fortunate to have them as resource person for this FDP program. Every session speaker and their presentation, knowledge and the timings are ultimate and outstanding. And they reach the participants' expectations in every session in all the days. So we got 24 resource person for taking 24 sessions. So continuously in this 12 days FDP program. But however, I have to say thanks to all resource person one by one. So I have to say thank to the Dr. H.S. Afzal Basha, Associate Professor and EDCL Convener, DMS, G. Pulaya Engineering College, Karnool, and Dr. D. Rabi Rasul sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Marketing and Entrepreneurship, IIPM, Vijayawada, Atyam Baswaraju sir, Chief Executive Officer, BizTrans Consulting, Ahmedabad, Professor Nagbhushan Rao sir, Director, Atal Incubation Center, Sri Krishna Deva University, Anantapur, and Sudhakar Pal sir, Incubation Manager, Ambedkar University, New Delhi, and Dr. Ramji Palela, Chief Operating Officer, Atal Incubation Center, CCMB Hyderabad, and Mr. G. Raghunath Reddy sir, Managing Director, Gates Institute of Technology, and Professor S. Subbarao sir, Professor, Department of Management Studies, Sri Venkateshwara University, Tirupati, and Ms. B. Shahina, Chief Executive Officer, Blue Boon Private Limited, Atal Incubation Center, SKU, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh, and Dr. R. Prashant Kumar sir, Assistant Professor, NIFTEM, so National Institute of Fashion Technology and Entrepreneurship Management, New Delhi, and Professor P. Murali Krishna sir, Professor, Sri Krishna Deva Institute of Management, Sri Krishna Deva Raya University, Anantapur, and Dr. Mohan Rao Balla is a Principal, Krisu Jayanti College of Law, Bangalore, and Dr. V.B. Chitra, Professor and Head, Department of Humanities, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Anantapur, and S. Rajshekhar, Manager, Diabetic Food International Private Limited, Puttaparthi, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh, and Dr. J. Surya Kumar sir, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, Sri Padmavati Mahila Vishwavidyalayam, Society for Innovation, Incubation, Entrepreneurship, Technology Business Incubator, Tirupati, and Dr. Anurag Mittal sir, In Charge, Entrepreneurship Cell, School of Open School, Open Learning, University of Delhi, New Delhi, and Dr. Shivakiran, Chief Executive Officer, Atal Incubation Center, Sri Krishna Deva University, Anantapur. And Professor B. Koteshwara Rao Naik, Professor, Operations and Supply Chain Management Group, National Institute of Industrial Engineering, Mumbai. And Professor K. Venugopal Rao sir, Sri Krishna Deva Institute of Management, Sri Krishna Deva University, Anantapur. And Dr. Nune Srinivasa Rao, Adjunct Faculty, School of Research in Textile, American University, Hyderabad. And Dr. Pawan Patel, Professor and Associate Chairperson, Department of Management Studies, Shiva Shivan Institute of Management, Hyderabad. And Dr. Om Prakash Khajipet, retired professor. So University School of Commerce and Management, Kakatiya University, Warangal. And Dr. Prasad Tigala, Professor, Department of OB, HRM, National Institute of Industrial Engineering, Mumbai. And next, Dr. N.C. Rajalakshmi, Professor, Department of Finance, Shiva Shivan Institute of Management. So I thank all these resource persons once again, a heartfelt thanks. Really, it is a very memorable moment in my life, as like remembering all these people. I have to say very lakhs of thanks to all these resource person. So because of these people only, this kind of FDP will become a grand success and possible to me to provide a very good knowledge to the participants. And my special thanks to say Pawan Kumar sir, Managing Director, Diabetic Food International Private Limited, Puttaparthi, Anantapur District, Andhra Pradesh. So for their concern to accept the visit, a virtual industrial visit for their industry. So because of his concern only, it is possible to make visit and to give a practical knowledge to the participants. So last but not least, I have to say thank to my team members. So without their support, it is not possible to take up any step. So Mr. B. Ismail Zabiullah, coordinator, co-coordinator and HOD, DMS for his support entire the program. And Mr. Noor Ahmad, assistant professor, Department of Management, Mechanical Department for his technical support. And Ms. Salome Blessy, assistant professor, Department of Management Studies. So for her, so administrative and technical clerical works throughout this program. So and I thank faculty members from DMS for their support to taking all my duties in the department for these 12 days. And finally, I want to say thank to all teaching faculty and non-teaching faculty for their direct and indirect support to make this program a grand success. And finally, I have to say thank to the print and electronic media to share this kind of information in the public. So thank you everyone. So giving this good opportunity to me. So I say that number of thanks to all the people with giving this kind of a golden opportunity to me to conduct this FDP. Thank you DST, thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Ramesh Naik sir. So now I request HOD of the Department of Management Studies and Program Co-Coordinator, Mr. B. Ismail Zabiullah sir, to speak the few words about this program.
So very good afternoon to all the participants and especially the chief guest, Professor P. Murali Krishna sir, and the guest of honor, Surya Kumar sir, and the chief patron, Raghunath Reddy sir, and our patron, Dr. SLV Prasad, and the program coordinator, Dr. V. Ramesh Naik sir. So a very good afternoon to all. So first of all, I would like to thank the Government of India and the DST for sponsoring this program and for selecting our college and our proposal and funding this program. So it is very apt in these days to take the topic called entrepreneurship, because with the help of entrepreneurship only, we can rise the GDP of our country and we can contribute for the economic growth of all the sections. And in spite of many efforts by the government, there is a lag. And this lag can be filled by the teaching faculty. And with this good reason only, the DST has sponsored these kind of programs. And with the help of these FTBs and with the initiative of the Department of Science and Technology and with the initiative of the government of India and with the follow-up of our program coordinator, Dr. V. Ramesh Naik Garu, for these things has happened. And with these 12 days of FDP has given a good insights. The professors and the eminent people, the practicing entrepreneurs throughout the country has participated. In spite of their busy schedule, they have accepted our invitation and they have spared a lot of their valuable time with us, and they have explained in detail, pin to pin, what makes an entrepreneur. And there are sessions on strategic management, and there are sessions on business communication. There are sessions on the real entrepreneurial qualities, the leadership qualities, and put together all the things which is required for an entrepreneur to be successful in his venture. So this kind of programs, I hope that will bring laurels to the people who participated in it, and they enhance the horizons of their knowledge and fill the gaps. And I hope this the resource persons have given good insights out of their experience to all the people who participated in it. So I hope that these things should be carried forward, and you should implement these things with the students. So I just request from this platform to all the faculty members and entrepreneurs who has gained the knowledge out of it to take over it and implement these kind of things in practicality. So even for the faculty members, I thank all the people who joined from different parts of the country and who from the neighboring states. In spite of their schedule and their academic curriculum, they have spared time to hear these sessions, answer the questions, and witness the virtual tour of the industry, one of the popular industry, which is coming up in our district of Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh state. So here I take this opportunity to thank the management, first of all, the principal sir, and for giving us an opportunity and for providing all the resources which is needed to us. And I should thank the technical team, Sri Noor Muhammad of Mechanical Department and Salome Madam for their valuable time, efforts and energy. So in between, there is some kind of change in the program. I just apologize for the change of the program because of the resource persons preoccupation. We have to change the program. Even we announced that the Sundays will not be a session, and due to the preoccupation of the resource persons, we have to arrange in spite of the weekend program, the weekend, that is the Sundays. So here, just I thank all the people for this, their initiative, and for accepting our invitation and for being with us all these 12 days. In future also, I expect the people to be with us, to participate in all the programs, and please encourage us to do more and more programs like this. I should really thank to all the people, that is, who directly, indirectly contributed us for successful completion of this program. Especially, I should thank the eminent professors who are available with us, that is Dr. Murli Krishna sir and Devakumar sir, and other professors, that is even Om Prakash sir and the Pawan Patel sir, who are very familiar, and out of their contributions, we are in a position to complete this program in a successful way. So a heartfelt thanks to all the people who are with us for all these 12 days program. And if there is any kind of disturbance from our end, I really apologize for those disturbance. I hope that if it is brought to our notice, next time we will see that these things will not happen again and again. Really, it's a great opportunity for us to see you all, to hear you all, and to share your experiences and to share your knowledge with us. So thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us. And with these words, I conclude. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity to say a few words on this valedictory session of 12-day FDP program sponsored by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request our beloved principal, S.L.V. Prasad sir, to speak few words for this.
Thank you, Salome. Good afternoon, one and all. It is my privilege to thank all the distinguished resource persons and the participants. I thank DST and Surya Kumar sir for their help in conducting the FDP. I hope all the sessions are helpful for the faculty to inculcate the entrepreneur skills and leadership qualities in the students. I strongly believe that teacher is the director of the nation. So I hope all the creative teachers can make the students as successful entrepreneurs in the competitive world. Once again, I wish all the participants and thank all the resource persons, Dr. Murali Krishna sir and Surya Kumar sir, for their presence here. Last but not the least, I had to congratulate the Department of Management Science for conducting a successful FD program for the 2 weeks. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Now I request today's guest of honor, Dr. J. Surya Kumar sir, DST Observer, CEO, SPMVB, Society for Innovation, Incubation, Entrepreneurship, Technology Business Incubator, Tirupati, to speak few words on this program. Sir, I request you, sir. Surya Kumar sir. Sir, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Hope I'm audible.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, I'm just not putting on the bandwidth issue. I don't want anyone to have an issue. So, good afternoon, everyone. So, respected Professor Murali Krishna garu, Sri Raghunath Reddy garu, Dr. Prasad garu, Dr. Ramesh Naik garu, and all the other participants of this program. Good afternoon and welcome you all to this valedictory function. So it's nice to hear such a wonderful feedback from so many participants, and they are talking very high about this program which is being conducted. Oh, am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Ramesh Naikar, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So it's a so nice to hear about such a positive feedback about about this program, and I'm very happy to hear such a wonderful positive feedback. I would like to thank first DST for having made me observer for program to monitor some 5-6 colleges in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and of which Gate Institute is one of them. And I'm very much appreciate Dr. Ramesh Naik as a coordinator. I think he has done a wonderful job. So he has been continuously in touch with everyone, looks like, including me, at least twice a day, and then sharing the details and ask them to enter, ask them to engage and participate and so on. I think the commitment was there right from the day one when I attended the inaugural session. I heard the principal, and then the Prasad Garu, and then the Raghunath Reddy Garu also speaking about the commitment and all that. So it was very obvious from that itself that this program is going to be a big success, and when the commitment of the management is there, I think the rest of the things will fall in line. So I think I congratulate right from the MD Raghunath Reddy Garu, Prasad Garu, and then Dr. Ramesh Naik, everyone for the wonderful program that they have conducted. And then in this 2-week entrepreneurship program, I'm glad that most of the participants, they enjoyed it and they really want to attend such programs again. Definitely in my report to DST, I'm going to recommend the same to them. I request Dr. Ramesh Naik to share with me the list of speakers, and then the list of participants, and then the topics covered, and then the contact details of the speakers. Kindly share the details to me that I need to include in my DST report. And then as an entrepreneurship, as told by everyone, this is apt now in the present scenario, as because now even the right from the government, everyone wants people to be job givers and not job seekers. So, and this is becoming an alternate career pathway. So previously, people after education they used to go to the industry or for the teaching. Now entrepreneurship has become an alternate career pathway. So I'm glad previously it used to be only a family business oriented entrepreneurship. Now, right from the college days, people are having an entrepreneurship mind. The other day, I was attending a session where the BTech second year student, he's a CEO of a company, and then he was, and then he was talking so high about entrepreneurship and all that. So to that level, the importance of entrepreneurship has gone. So I'm very glad that with so many 250 around 225 participants, they have registered. And then I request Ramesh Naik to share with me the number of participants who have completed 90% of the attendance. So that shows the sincerity and commitment of all the participants. So kindly share with me, Dr. Ramesh Naik. And then as a CEO of the Technology Business Incubator, I give an open invitation to all the participants or the faculty or the students of whatever it is who are all hearing this thing. If you have any innovative ideas or anything, please contact us, or you can contact the GATE or contact me directly, so that we try to see that your ideas they are this project, what to say, we want to see that if you have good innovative ideas, it sees the light of the day, or you finally have commercial product, you can do networking, anything. We can help you to see if we can get some funding for your projects and so on. So we try to see or some innovative ideas that can also help you in getting patenting of the your ideas if they are very novel. So in this way, we'll see that how best we can help you, and then we'll be very happy to help you by all means. So I request all the participants or whoever it is, any ideas how they can contact me. My details are there with Ramesh Naik, and if you're interested, you can note down my email. My email ID it's ceo.spmvv@gmail.com. I repeat, ceo.spmvv@gmail.com. And my mobile number is 8056022121. So that we can work together and see that any innovative ideas that you have, we can ensure that you have commercial products for your satisfaction. And then all the participants that attended, you were telling on 150 attending this program, and I'm glad to hear more than the participants for that state. 2-3 participants become entrepreneurs. I think that's a big success to this entrepreneurship program, and to the DC concept of asking all the players to do this 2 weeks or 4 weeks. So I think with these words, I congratulate the management of the GATE Institute.
Hello, sir. Hello,
I'm
sir.
audible.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
audible now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah. So with this, I congratulate the entire management of the GATE Institute of Technology, and then Dr. Ramesh Naik, Prasad Garu, Raghunath Reddy Garu, and all the faculty resource persons. I thank all of them for having given wonderful lectures and having inculcated or the what we got thought-provoking idea to all the participants to become an entrepreneurs. Again, I thank DST for having made the DST Observer, and then I'll ensure that I'll recommend that future also such programs should be awarded to this college. So I request Dr. Ramesh Naik to share the information that I have requested earlier. Thank you very much, and wishing you all the best. Good day.
So thank you, sir. Thank you for your giving very good feedback about the program, how we conducted actually, how we are committed towards to make this program benefitable to the participants. And we also try to go follow the DST instructions, and at the same time, the motto of the DST to sanctioning the program to our college. It's we hope we reach to that objective. That is, it is proven in your words, sir. Really, we are very happy to hear such kind of words from you. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Sure, I will share all the details of what you are asked to me. I will submit to you immediately within 2 to 3 days, sir. So why? Because we have to finalize the list of participants and want to check the eligibility of the participants as per the instructions of DST. Then we'll send to you, sir. So with a couple of days. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. And now I request today's chief guest of the program, Professor P. Murali Krishna Garu, Head, SK Institute of Management, Sri Krishnadevaraya University, Anantapur. Sir, I request you to address this gathering, sir. Thank you. Sir.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. So, Murali Krishna, sir. Sir, are you there? Sir? Sir, Murali Krishna, sir, are you there?
So once again, I request Professor P. Murali Krishna, sir, to speak few words on this occasion.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir, we are listening to you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Is it audible now?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. We're
Huh?
able to see you, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nayak,
Sir.
can I keep my mobile in the flight mode?
So if you keep in flight mode, you may be disconnected from the network, sir.
Right. Because I'm getting a lot of phone calls, so that is becoming disturbance. Anyway, I'll manage. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Sir, please, sir.
Good afternoon to everybody. For inviting me to this valedictory session of the online 2-week online faculty development program on entrepreneurship being conducted by one of the most promising institutes of this region, Gates Institute of Technology, Gutti, with which I have been closely associated for more than a decade. I am doubly happy to know that this program is sponsored by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. I believe and understand that this two-week online FDP program on entrepreneurship has started from 15th of March to today. And I myself being one of the resource persons who talked on entrepreneurship and ecosystem and the leadership, entrepreneurship leadership. It has been very much interesting to see that a large number of most devoted and interested participants came online to listen to us is something that is very, very meaningful, very constructive, and very, very much interesting also. The entrepreneurship and the entrepreneur are, in the erstwhile days, was the concept of management. Today, with the given the kind of condition, with the given the environment, industrial environment today, it has become a more of a technical subject than a managerial one. Though there are number of concepts from management which are imbibed into the spirit and definition of entrepreneurship, yet, like we are using this IoT, artificial intelligence, big data, and all kinds of this technological innovations in completing our tasks, whatever the walk of life that we are in. If I am in management, I need to, it is imperative for me and compulsory for me to use these different communication and information technological advancements to fulfill my tasks and reach the targets. It's not just sufficient for me to stand alone and think and propagate and practice only purely the management principles. Being a student of management, I just cannot confine myself today to principles of management or the concepts of management, but at the same time, I need to have a sufficient introduction and hands-on experience in the technological advancements which have become compulsory now, not even optional, which have become compulsory now to use in the practice of my concepts, management concepts, to reach my targets and reach my own expectations. Similarly, you find the entrepreneurship as it's not just a concept, it raised from this concept level, and it has raised to the level of philosophy, and today it is the walk of life of every one of us. Whether I am in teaching line, I still have to be entrepreneur. Whether I have to be, if I am in the business line, I need to be entrepreneur. If I am teaching the small children, I need to be entrepreneur. What I mean to say is the basic ground roots and principles of entrepreneurship have become very common and compulsory to all the people in all walks of life. In that way, I understand the entrepreneurship is a holistic concept rather than a limited concept by itself. Hence, I think this must have been the spirit behind DST sanctioning this type of FDP programs to various colleges in the country, so that the spirit of entrepreneurship is propagated and the prospective entrepreneurs will be motivated very highly to get lots of motivation and inspiration to be entrepreneurs in future. As Professor Jayakumar was saying just now, that it is not just Dr. Surya Kumar is talking about it's not just entrepreneurship is not meant only for one particular section of people or one particular way of doing the things. It is at a broader perspective. Therefore, when we look at from that angle, you find I understand that most of the participants in this program are basically the faculty members of different institutions. I think Ramesh Naik may correct me if I'm wrong. This is another way. It is something like entrepreneur to the entrepreneur, entrepreneur to the entrepreneur. That means a teacher is an entrepreneur of entrepreneur. A teacher is the entrepreneur of a future entrepreneur. And if you take the holistic, the meaning of the concept, we find that entrepreneurship is actually, it starts from the elementary school level. This is a new dimension that we can think upon. From that perspective, I think DST must have sanctioned this funding of this faculty development program to encourage, motivate, sustain, and develop basic entrepreneur development skills among the teachers. Therefore, the faculty development is organized in this fashion. So, the objective, I presume, of the DST is to motivate primarily the teachers to whom the young students, to whom the promising entrepreneurs come for studies, and motivating and refreshing these faculty members in this 2-day faculty development program on entrepreneurs, so the entrepreneurship, so that these teachers in turn, by gaining a lot of insights into entrepreneurship and then insights into motivating the future entrepreneurs, may get back to their classrooms and try to motivate the young generation, the young people, the students, the people at people who are ready to take up challenges of entrepreneurship, who can be motivated, and thereby the real entrepreneurship in this country can be developed. I thank all the organizers, Chief Patron, Mr. G. Raghunath Reddy sir, Managing Director, Gates Institute of Science and Technology, and the guest of honor, Dr. J. Surya Kumar, CEO, SPMVV Society for Innovation, Incubation, Entrepreneurship. I'm doubly happy that this incubation center is located in my hometown. I'm really very happy to see this and note this. And I am also thankful to the patron, Dr. S.L.V. Prasad, the principal, Dr. S.L.V. Prasad, in charge principal and a professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and my good friend and student, the program coordinator, Dr. V. Ramesh Naik, and the host of faculty members of Department of Management of Gates Institute of Technology, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be the chief guest and deliver the chief guest address. Thank you very much. I thank all the participants for their patient listening, and I wish them all the best. Thank you, one and all. Over to you, Ramesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So it's time to say vote of thank. I, Salome Blessy, I feel it's my privilege to say vote of thanks on behalf of Department of Management Studies on 12 days FDP program sponsored by DST. Firstly, I thank the DST for sponsoring this program to us. And the next, a thanks to all the 25 resource persons for delivering the valuable sessions to all our participants. I thank today's chief guest, Dr. Murli Krishna sir, accepting our invitation and for coming to this validation and giving the valuable words to all our participants. And I thanks to our guest of honor, Dr. J. Surya Kumar sir, DST observer. Sir, I'm very thankful for you, sir, for giving the opportunity to conduct this kind of a program. So next, I thanks to our management for encouraging us to do this kind of a program. I thanks to Dr. V. Ramesh Nayak sir and Ismail sir for acting as a coordinator and co-coordinator for this program. I thanks to all the faculty members for the Department of Management Studies for organizing this program and supporting us to make this as a success. I thanks to the Noor Ahmad sir from the Department of Mechanical Engineering for any technical support. Last but not the least, my sincere and heartfelt thanks to all the participants for making this program as a grand success. Finally, a thanks to each and everyone for making this program as success. Thank you one and all. Thank you one and all. I can say goodbye to everyone, and the certificates will send by through the mails. So within the 1 week, you can get a certificate, e-certificate to your mail IDs. Thank you one and all. Goodbye.
Thank you, Ramesh. Thank you very much.
So thank you, sir. Thanks a lot and sparing your valuable time to hear. So accepting our invitation and request within a short time. Then
my pleasure.
So thank you, sir.
It's my pleasure. I will send you, when you come to me, I will give you that video record.
Yeah. Sure, sir. I will collect it from you, sir. Soon.
Right. Thank you.
It's ready. So thank you, sir, Surya Kumar sir, for attending this program. So valedictory program. Yeah, dear participants, and want to speak with me anymore?
Thank you to all. Very good. FDP
Sir,
was there. It was a very good activity.
It will be helpful for us.
It will be definitely helpful for us. Thank you so much.
Sir, most welcome, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please, madam. Who is speaking?
Sir, Rajput madam here, sir. If your email ID and phone number, if we get on the WhatsApp, if we have any difficulty regarding certificate or all that, we can talk to you, sir.
Sure, madam. Then you can use a group is there, WhatsApp group is there. Then we'll all of you can post in the groups, madam. No problem.
WhatsApp group, sir. Yes. Sir.
Now we can open to, we'll make by evening open to all, madam.
Yeah. Okay. Sir.
So any more? Yeah, certificates will be provided to those who are qualified participants only. Then we have strictly followed the DST instructions, and all of you know that. So it is a mandatory. All of you have certain follow the instructions. Then only it is a possible we can issue a certificate to you. Just within a couple of days, then we'll find out that the eligible participants for the certificates will share with you all. As per that, then we'll do the process for certification to you.
So excuse me, whether you sent the selection list, sir?
We'll do it, madam. We'll start the process as like, then we need a little time for see that all the eligibilities. So participants have see that attendance and as well as the feedback forms, all they are corrected, filled or not, then we need to correct it, madam. So that we need to take 2 to 3 days time. 2 to 3 days
Okay,
time.
sir. Okay.
Because of it is not a one-day event, as like to get a clarity. As like it is a 12 days program, so that we need to check out thoroughly. Do not make any mistake.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, madam. You are welcome.
Hello, sir. Ramesh, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Sir, first of all, I thank you for giving me this opportunity for participating. This is such a wonderful program, Ramesh Naik, sir.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Very congratulations, sir, Ramesh Naik, sir.
Thank you,
for
sir.
successful program. This like if 12 days program. I'm very happy and congratulate you. To hope you will continue this tempo in future also for conducting programs like Ramesh
Thank
Naik.
you, sir. Thank you for your supporting words to me.
Thank
So
you,
really, really, it is a very support of you only. It is a possible to make this kind of a program in a good manner and good success.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All the best. Thank you.
Dr. Nagar, I have to attend some other meeting. So
Okay,
just
sir.
like
Sir,
to-
please,
thank
you
you.
carry on. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So hope I clarified all your doubts. So any more, and if you want to talk with me, please ask the questions or any doubts.
Only one thing, sir.
Yeah, please, sir. Amit, sir. Amit, sir.
Certificate will come. Yeah, certificate will come soon. Enjoy
Yes, sir.
your Sunday and happy Holi to Gates family from North India side. So just take a week break. It's quite tiring for you. 12 days, you and your team. So really applaud you. And now it's time to take a break, take a breath. Now tap your back. That's more important. Congratulations, your team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Then we are also very happy to hear as like from you from north side, as like we too don't expect people come from the different states as like Bihar, Orissa, Maharashtra, as like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. It's like it is a very amazing me as like to see such kind of different peoples from different area. It's like, and also it is a very mesmerizing me as like about your discipline. So like you asking, yes, like, sir, it is not, you are asking the permission to me as like, and you mentioned that a message is, it's like your, it's like, and you are, why you are not unable to attend the program. It's like, and asking permission to me. It's like, it is a very mesmerizing me. So really such a kind of a participants are there really in my FDP. It's like, I feel very happy about that, sir. Really, really. Really, it's a wonder to me. Thank you. Thanks a lot for participating in my FDP program. Really, at the same time, you're also invited as like, and if any programs conducting by me in this institute, you are almost welcome to the program.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Patilji also is there. Yes, sir. Some of the participant is asking if, sir, any FDP on R or SPSS by your institution in future, kindly share details to us will help. Sure, sir. We're also planning to conduct the program. Sure, and we have all your details. Any information on that, sure, we'll share to you very immediately. So once I get confirmed. Thank you. Yeah, feedback link will be shared to you. So don't worry. Then we can open the WhatsApp group and we'll have an open discussion there itself. So no issues. And is there any, as like not filled by any candidates, as like we will look into that. So then we'll try to get the responses from you. Okay. Any more? Okay, shall we do close? So once again, I'm very thankful to you all participating in this DST sponsored 12 days FDP program. So because of you only, it is a possible making a grand success, very, very, very grand success as like. So I'm very happy to see you, happy to have you this FDP program. Really,
Thank-
really, it is a wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you to all.
Thank you once again. Thank you once again all. Sir, thank you all. Thank you all. See you next any other programs if we conduct it. Thank you.